puzzles.
Oh, very good.
Think tricky puzzle for you.
Okay.
One of the from my game with Ivanchu, but we start with this one.
Okay.
So black to play.
Okay.
And my question for you: can black is winning or not?
Okay.
So tell me what you're thinking.
Okay. So basically, I'm just thinking the queen on d5 is under a bit of pressure.
Yeah.
And I was trying to find some sort of tactic around g2 with the bishop and queen.
Yes.
I don't see any direct move order that works just yet.
So which move candidates you have on your mind?
I have consider now.
So you understand that she wants your queen.
Mm-hmm.
That's easy.
Mm-hmm.
So you should do something.
Okay. Okay.
So tell me which moves you thinking.
So like I was thinking of like, okay, so if I just move the queen like queen a2, but then you just play rook takes f5. So if I move the queen, it might have to be defending the bishop on f5.
So you think about the queen moves, right?
Yeah. I also considered some. Okay.
So you made our mistakes. That's you think only about one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was also thinking a bit about something like I was trying to find a bishop move, but I'm not sure. Don't know does it work. See.
Why it doesn't work?
So it's something like, let's say, I was thinking bishop d3. So rook takes d5.
It's a d3. I just take rook f6 or rook d5. And
Yeah.
So maybe you have another choice.
Yeah. Okay, so now I see instead of bishop d3, obviously bishop h3 is a lot stronger.
So okay, you see bishop h3.
Yeah. Bishop h3.
So you see bishop h3, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So my first question was, black is winning or not?
Okay.
I think, in my opinion, just in my opinion, so maybe you are not so well now, because I'm also was sick. Because bishop, you should be see in 30 seconds, I think.
Okay.
Such a move like bishop h3.
Yeah.
Because I know what you can do in chess. So bishop h3 here, it's not so hard move.
Okay. Yeah. No, it's not.
So now my question was, it's winning for black or not?
Okay.
I give you 4 minutes for thinking.
Okay.
Winning or not? You should be answering. But in 4 minutes you can tell me what you do think.
Okay.
About which one.
Okay. So at the moment I'm considering queen e8, king h7, and then I'm seeing, does white have any tactics or tricks there? Queen e8, king h7. So if rook takes f6, just queen d1.
Queen g2, I see.
Or queen g2, yeah. Yeah. Okay, I think I see a nice idea now, I think. Just one sec.
Yes.
Queen e8, king a7, and now I'm considering queen g6. And if
Brilliant.
yeah, and if king g6, rook f6 check, basically.
Yes, if rook g6, then rook d5, bishop f1, king f1, and this is the call position.
Did that happen in your game?
Yes.
Wow.
It was happened today. I saw, I like to watch the games.
Yeah.
Some tournaments. It was from some Indian league tournaments. I saw in Twitter today.
Oh wow.
And it was beautiful because black played bishop h3, and for me was interesting what happened. And I saw this queen g6.
Oh wow.
And now, if king g6, that's losing. So rook g6, rook d5, bishop f1. So just today I saw one puzzle. And this is equal.
Wow.
Okay, but you see queen e8, queen g6 in 2 minutes. You see.
Okay, very good.
But bishop h3 was hard for you.
Yeah.
You saw that bishop h3 you was thinking, because that's your problem. You're thinking only about the queen.
Okay. Yeah.
First, you are thinking about queen a2. I don't know what, maybe another moves. Of course, with rook you cannot play. Maybe you think queen d7, something like this. But bishop h3, if you see queen e8, queen g6, this is such a hard to see queen e8, queen g6. To be honest, bishop h3 more easily for you.
Yeah.
Okay, so it was first. Second one, this is my game against Vasily Ivanchuk in the World Team Championship.
Okay.
It was from analysis. No, it was not on the game. It was
Okay.
from analysis
Okay.
on the game. So, my question for you: you're black. What you
What do I play? Okay.
you have? It was Kings Indians. It was very tough fight. Game finished a draw, but it
Okay.
doesn't matter by now. So my question: what you will play for black?
Okay.
Take your time. Little bit.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, I think I. Yeah, I know. I think I see a strong idea anyway. I think it's Queen H2, King H2, then Rook C6, and White can't bring anything over.
That's it.
Queen H2. Queen G2, is it?
Yeah. So Queen G2 and you have no checkmate and you should be give Rook for the
Queen, yeah.
Queen and time.
Okay.
What do you think about your position now? You are better, you are worse,
Yeah.
simple.
To be honest, I like it very much for black.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel there's a lot of potential.
So in chess it's very important that if you like your position, so why you want give something?
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
For example, it's 5 pawns, 5 pawns, 6 pawns, but your position is huge active. His king don't save. You have bishop, it's open position.
Okay.
You're on the G file. So do you need to give something or not?
No, you have the upper hand. Okay.
So my first question, that's what you will play here.
Okay.
So for him, change queens that will be dream because you are pushing. So for him, change queens will be very, very good. So tell me your candidates.
Yeah. I'm just trying to think of ways to keep the queen on, basically. So I was just considering moving the queen backwards, Queen H5.
Okay. Yeah. So you said about Queen H5, right?
Yeah.
What Okay, I said before that today will be tricky. Tricky lesson. Okay, Queen H5 you say, but maybe I can take Queen H2.
Okay.
You should, right?
Yeah. Okay.
White C6. I can play Rook CG8. It was not easy way to win.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yeah. There's nothing. I'm just trying to see can white do anything. No, that's much better than Rook C6.
So why you play Queen H5 if you have Queen H2?
Yeah.
So it's finished.
Okay, so you can still play. So you could still play Queen G2.
Excuse me?
So I'm just trying to see, white still play Queen G2? Queen...
No, Queen G2 I will take Rook G2.
Yeah. Okay.
So...
Yeah.
So Queen H5 or Queen H2?
Oh, Queen H2. Queen H2. For sure.
Queen H2, King H2. So okay, again, real back.
Yeah.
So now you have two choices during the game. First one, take on H2, play Rook CG8, and believe you're calculating and just win the game. Second one, you understand that your position is extremely good. You can play Queen H5 and continue pushing, and you're thinking that your position is much better. Because G file, looking G file, and Bishop very strong in position. So my question to you, what will be choice? Queen H2 or Queen H5?
Thank you. I think it has to be Queen H2. I'm trying to. It has to be Queen H2. I'm trying to see is there any mistake, but I can't see any mistake. So Queen H2.
Okay, you are white now.
Okay.
Nobody likes defense. Nobody.
Yeah. So Queen H3. Bishop takes H3.
Queen H3, Bishop H3. Yeah. And I have same ideas after back with Bishop. You cannot take my Bishop.
No. Okay.
How many pieces you have in the position? King, queen, two rooks, knights, bishops. Oh, sorry, pawns.
Pawns, yeah.
Which move candidates you have?
Oh, pawns. Okay, yes.
How many?
Well, I was considering things with like the knight and rook, but they all just lose checkmate in one. But now I was considering e6, and you don't have checkmate straight away because the bishop's not on that diagonal. So e6, bishop.
Yes.
So e6.
E6,
Bishop e6.
E6, I take.
Yeah.
Bishop e6.
Okay, and then rook takes c5. Is that no? Pawn takes c5.
bc5. E6, bishop e6, rook c5, bc5.
Yeah. Then rook takes c5 again.
Yeah, and white is winning.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
It was very tricky. When you, during the game, for example, if you are not sure for 100% that you winning, never play such a move like queen h2.
Okay.
The first should be, this is, okay, if you are bishop on e6, for example, yes, that is working. Because no e6 and rook. So let's look at the angles. Okay, take strong angle. So you see, queen h5 or queen h4.
Oh wow.
Queen h5 more thick. And it was just -4, queen h4 was -2. So go with queen to somewhere, it's winning.
Oh.
But queen h2 is +4. So you see, it was very tricky.
Yeah. Yeah.
So again, if you during the game didn't accurately calculate, for example, you think in queen h2, queen h2, rook c6, no queen g2 now, so rook cg8, but you should be calculate till the end. For example, here again you should be for your opponent also thinking about all the moves, but what he has. He can only move with the queen and only move with the pawn. Never, you should be, okay, also you should be thinking about rooks, but you understand that moves is just checkmate.
Yeah. Yeah.
You see, yes, only e6 move and winning. Queen g2 is losing, queen h3 is losing.
Yeah. Wow.
So it was very tricky.